All right, so this video is just basically looking at place value another way with decimals. We're going to start off with, first of all, determining that this one flat is equal to one whole. That is the important thing. You have to know what is a whole before you can work with these things, right? So if we are using that, and let me just draw this line in here so we know we're talking about the stuff behind. How much do I have here, everybody? Everybody just call it out. Actually, I'm going to make this, I'll make 3 of those. All right, so how much is this? Call it out so they can hear you at home. How much is this? Okay, 2 and what? 31 hundredths, okay? And so what we're working on right now is renaming this, okay, and saying this is 2 and 31 hundredths. Well, how many hundredths actually is this? Okay, how many hundredths is this? And there are 2 ways we can do it. And one is to just take a look and say, well, if that's 1 hundredth, that's 1 hundredth there. Each of these is 10 hundredths that make up a tenth. So that's 30 hundredths. And each one of these is 100 hundredths. So that would be 200 hundredths. So what we wind up with here is 231 hundredths. Okay, so that's one way that we can do it. We can actually count them, but we can also use the rule that we had learned earlier, which is where you could say any number, and if you say it up to the place it ends at, and just say the whole number, ignore the decimal point, just say the number up to that place, well, we read this as 231. It ends in the hundredths place, so that is 231 hundredths. Those are 2 different ways that we could do that. I want to pick another example, so let me just do this real quick. And we'll just do that. Okay, so let's go with this right here, everybody. What is left down here underneath the blue line? How much is that, everybody? Actually, here, let's make it. Okay. All right, so what do we have there, everybody? What is that? I can't hear you.
34.
Okay, 34 hundredths, okay? Which we could also say is how many tenths and hundredths, okay? How many tenths do we have, everybody? We could say this is 3 tenths plus 4 hundredths, okay? All right, so we just want you to be able to look at these numbers and see them separately. Let's see, I wanted to give you this also. Sorry. Let me get rid of these hundredths. Okay, 1, 2. Yeah, let's just do that. What is that right there? What do we have? We have what? 2 what? 2 tenths. Okay, and how many hundredths is that, everybody? It is what? It is 20 hundredths, because we know we can annex a 0, but here we're really looking at it and seeing, well, each one of these is a hundredth, and I can count 20 of them. Okay, so 2 tenths is equal to 20 hundredths. Okay, so just a little bit more work on renaming numbers. You have your practice sheet, you'll have your homework, and you can refer back to the video tonight, and everybody say goodbye.